is started. We have ho, break quickly at the start. Moving up now on the outside, Valiente, My Lady Hana in the middle, Balingando, Don Sentry, Ninjitsu, Galing, Hardway, yet on the outside is Royal Hayres, then followed over by Firminata, Madame Leonora, while Reigns of Rim is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Valiente by over length and a half. My Lady Hana in second. Ho is racing in third. Balinganda then followed over by entry number 10, and this one is Don Sentry Ninjitsu, Galing, Firminata, Royal Hayres, Reigns of Rim, Madame Leonora, while Hardway is racing in 12. Another far turn. The lead now belongs to Ho by about 2 lengths. Valiente draws back in second. My Lady Hana now coming closer in third. Galing, likewise now closing in. That on the inside, Ninjitsu. And as they swing for home, we have ho, this time by about 8 lengths. My Lady Hana in second. Galing is on the outside. Last 75 meters, we have ho, this time by about 10 lengths, and finally it's ho. And second is My Lady Hana. Then comes Galing, Hardway,